guys, so in today's video I wanted to talk about the power of a Jamaican passport and how Jamaica Passport is really a superior passport, and if you have one you should consider yourself very lucky. So let's get into it. So I'm going to start off by saying what is a passport. And a passport is an official government document that contains a given person's identity. It helps the holder travel under its protection to and from foreign countries. The document clarifies the personal identity and nationality of its holder. So that is what a passport is. Let's give some facts. And it says the Jamaican passport currently ranks on the 62nd place according to the Guide Passport Ranking Index. It provides visa-free access to 86 countries. This grants it an overall medium mobility score. Jamaican passport holders have visa-free access and a visa on arrival to countries such as Singapore and the United Kingdom, Hong Kong, Israel, and Kenya. Jamaican passport holders do however require a visa to enter about 143 destinations in the world, which require some extended travel preparations. Some destinations where a visa is required are the entire European Union, the United States, and Australia. And if you're not Jamaican, let me just give you some other information. It says the capital is Kingston, the local time, well, the population is 2.7 million approximately. The language is English, but we also speak Patois, which is a breakdown of our African lineage, English, Spanish, and French combined together. The currency is Jamaican dollar, and our area code is 1876. So the Jamaica Passport ranking. The Jamaica Passport ranking is relative to other global passport, and it's calculated by adding up the number of countries that allow Jamaican passport holders to enter without a visa, and those that allow Jamaican passport holders to enter by obtaining a visa on arrival, and that's why it's ranked 62 in the world, or an electronic travel authorization. And there are currently a total of 58 Jamaican passport visitor free countries, 27 Jamaica visa on arrival countries, and 1 ETA destination. Altogether, Jamaican passport holders can enter a total of 86 destinations either without a visa, through a visa on arrival, or via an ETA. As a result, the Jamaica passport ranks 62 in the world. So let's talk about the visa-free countries, and the first one is Antigua and Barbuda, Argentina, Bahamas, Bangladesh, Barbados, Belize, Botswana, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Cook Islands, Curacao, Dominica Republic, Ecuador, Eswatini, Fiji, Gambia, Ghana, Grenada, Guyana, Haiti, Hong Kong, Indonesia, Israel, Kenya, Kiribati, and Lesotho, Malawi, Malaysia, Mauritius, Mexico, Micro-Indonesia, Montserrat, Namibia, Niue, Palestinian territories, Panama, Peru, Philippines, Russia, St. Kitts and the Nevis, St. Lucia, Serbia, Singapore, South Africa, South Korea, Saint Vincent and the Grenadines, Suriname, Tanzania, Trinidad and Tobago, Uganda, Uruguay, Uzbekistan, Venezuela, Zambia, and Zimbabwe are the 56 destinations that Jamaicans can travel without a visa. And then visa on arrival, and this is Armenia, Bolivia, Cambodia, Cape Verde, Comoros, Egypt, Guinea, Bissau, Iran, Jordan, Laos, Morocco, Madagascar, Maldives, Mauritania, Mozambique, Nepal, Nicaragua, Palau, Rwanda, Samoa, Senegal, Sierra Leone, Somalia, Timor-Leste, Togo, and Tuvalu are all the destinations that you can visit, and you get a visa on arrival. An ETA you can get when you arrive is in Sri Lanka, and then you can get a visa online when you have a Jamaican passport, and that's Albania, Australia, Azerbaijan, Bahrain, Benin, Ivory Coast, Ethiopia, Gabon, Georgia, India, Kyrgyzstan, Moldova, Myanmar, Nigeria, Norfolk Island, Pakistan, Papua New Guinea, Qatar, Sao Tome and Principe, South Sudan, St. Helena, Tajikistan, Turkey, Ukraine, the United Arab Emirates. So you get a visa online for those 26 destination, and you have 117 destinations in the world that you have to get a visa for, which I won't go into because I just want to highlight all the destinations that it's easy for Jamaicans to get into, and show you guys that the Jamaican passport actually holds a lot of power, it holds a lot of weight, and you guys can travel the world with your passport alone. You're not confined only to the Caribbean islands. As you can see, you have plenty of other countries you can visit just by using your Jamaican passport. And I must say, Jamaica is doing a good job with its relations with other countries for us to be allowed to actually go to so many countries without visa, or we can get a visa on arrival. So applause to them for that. Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments below, and which countries have you visit with your Jamaican passport, and which countries are you planning to visit, and which countries are you planning to visit if you haven't visited any yet. What are your thoughts on all the countries that you can visit without a visa, or you can get a visa online? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces. Your dad is in the room.